Fellow Kenyans, 2 months ago, we promulgated our new constitution. This constitution creates the framework for an enabling environment for transforming our nation. We have created institutions of governance that have the necessary checks and balances to ensure that there is no abuse of power and human rights. The institutions will ensure that those in authority are accountable to the Kenyan people and that the public service is efficient and responsive to the needs of the population.